What's up, guys? Hope everyone's hanging in there. I've been wanting to put a speaker system on my scooter. Whether or not you guys are into that, I'd like to listen to a little music, and I think having it in your helmet might, distract you a little bit. So I picked up from Amazon a Pyle marine amplifier system. It's waterproof. I don't remember the wattage. It's something like 275 or 300. I didn't want to go too high because then it would kill my battery. I'm already having a charging problem with this. I have a new stator that I'm going to put in. Maybe that might help, but as of right now I have everything direct wired to the battery with a kill switch. So I have this made by Pyle. It's marine, and I'll show you everything that comes with that. And then I also got from Walmart the 4-way speakers. They're 4-inch because I wanted to get something small. They're not too big. I didn't want anything that would kill the battery, like I said. So everything's already installed. I will show you what they look like. So the only place I really had to put them was right there, and it actually looks pretty good. Not taking up too much space. I did accidentally put my drill right through one of these cones of the speaker, so it rattles a little bit, but they're not real expensive, so I can probably get another one. So everything is wired down through there and underneath the floor. You can actually kind of see the wiring there. And then everything is inside the bay underneath the seat here, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I haven't got mounted everything yet, but I just wanted to get everything together. So here is the amplifier. Everything's direct. I got this one because it has the speaker outputs. Wrong side. Speaker output with direct wires to the speakers, and the power is separate. It's all pre-wired with a fuse, and it also comes with your RCA cables to plug in an auxiliary cable to plug in your phone, and it also has Bluetooth. I haven't figured that out yet because it didn't come with any instructions. And then it has a volume knob that you can eventually mount somewhere. It has 3M double-sided tape on the back. And then here's the kill switch. Like I said, everything's just kind of thrown in here for right now. I ran everything through this hole, down underneath along here, and out through this plate here. This one is the remote wire, which is connected to the kill switch, which tells the amplifier to turn on and use power. Here's your ground. I know this is ugly as sin, but I'm gonna work on making some kind of box here. I don't know, unless there's something I could buy, if you guys know, something that would sit here. I don't know. So then I also ran into the issue of the auxiliary cable sitting right here. It pinches with underneath the seat. So what I did was, I know it looks kind of bad, but I drilled a hole right through both sides. So now I can pull this in and out, and it can sit in my pocket while I'm riding. And then when I'm done, I can pull it all the way in, and the auxiliary cable will just kind of sit right here. So I'll turn it on and let you hear it. I know it won't really do it justice, but you can get an idea how loud it is. So that kill switch, that turns everything on, so you're ready to play. So I'm all the way out in my driveway. too obnoxiously loud, but it's loud enough to hear you over the scooter. And now that I have the stock airbox back on, it's way quieter. I can hear the radio, and I'm not blowing other people's eardrums out. So the only issue I have is when I have this stereo up all the way and I'm going full throttle, it's cracking the speakers just a little bit, and I think it's because the charging system isn't perfect and it's maybe competing for power. But if I turn it down just one notch, it doesn't do it. So maybe in the future I'll look into a separate battery system, or I don't know. If you guys have any questions about the wiring, let me know and I can answer those for you. It's really simple. I should have filmed a video on wiring it up, but I honestly did not know how it was going to go and where I was going to put everything. So yeah. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some more scooter videos. In the future, I might be getting a windshield or an exhaust. I'm gonna do an oil change and gear oil change, and I think that's all we got coming up, but appreciate you guys. Peace.